Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick makeup tutorial as a first-time mom with a newborn baby. Getting my makeup done is a struggle, so this is what I usually do when my baby is asleep and I have to get my makeup done.
Them girls, them a come, them.
To draw my eyebrows, I'll be using the M.A.C Precision Eyebrow Gel in the shade Stare.
Inna me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls.
To clean up my eyebrows, I used the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in number 14.
Go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me and I'm sick. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road.
I went ahead and used that same concealer to prime my eyelid. Right after that, I used the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my eyelid. To prime my face, I'll be using the Eve Lom Perfect Matte Primer. This primer is one of my favorite primers. It does have this extra glow that it adds to my face and it keeps my makeup in place all day. I so much love it, guys. I love it. I'll be highlighting my face before applying foundation. And the concealer that I'm using is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Camouflage Concealer in the shade Muscade. And I'm going to use my concealer brush, the same brush that I used to clean my eyebrows, to spread out the concealer so it'll be easy for me to blend.
Lego, original bad man, his body baby,
It's fake hills.
catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want.
The foundation that I'll be using today is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Deep Spice. This foundation was sent to me by Estee Lauder through Octoly. At first, this foundation seemed to be light on my skin, but by the time I finished up with the rest of my face, everything went well with my complexion.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want them, you won't bore me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio.
So I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set all the areas that I highlighted.
They want to see when me chilling for me yard and me sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If they play my music,
I'll be using the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze to add some color to my eyelid and also to contour my face.
Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard. See when I ride a bumble.
It's VQs.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2.
To contour my nose, I'll be using the M.A.C Studio Fix powder in NW45. I'll also be using that same powder to set my entire face. So guys, this is my makeup life right now as a new mom. I don't know when last I did an eyeshadow look. The little time that my baby spared for me, I just respect myself and quickly do the most important part of the makeup, which is the face, and then bounce before he wakes up because I don't want to be greedy at all. To line my eyes, I'll be using the M.A.C Precision Gel Eyeliner in the shade Infinity.
Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time.
I went ahead and applied mascara and some false lashes.
Slow, bad man on the road. Get them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. Get them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
The highlighter that I'm using to highlight my face is the I Heart Makeup Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer in Hot Summer of Love. This happens to be one of my favorites, affordable highlighter and also an everyday highlighter. The highlighter is very smooth and the glow is amazing. Like, it does leave a very beautiful glow on the skin.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me.
To set my face, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Setting Spray. After waiting for the setting spray to dry, I went ahead and applied mascara to my bottom lashes, and then I lined my lips with a dark brown lip liner.
My baby, oh, I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, dark, she, yeah. No, they do me, she, yeah.
The lipstick that I'll be using is the M.A.C Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Sexy But Sweet. Honestly guys, I really don't like this lipstick. The color is beautiful but the texture is not pigmented at all and also is not buildable. You can see me trying to apply more and more, but it's just not buildable. I ended up using a gloss on top of it because I didn't like the way it looked on my lips. And the gloss that I used is the Beauty Success lip gloss. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Loving you, Nascam. Major banks. Jay, every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. Your fake all show, but you be scammer. I gave